Crocheting in the back loop can be used for many different purposes. You can create a nice ribbing with it or add structure to your project. You can also use it when you're actually crocheting in the round, like making a basket, and you have to go basically from crocheting increases for the bottom to crocheting the sides with no increases. Let's learn in this video how to crochet in the back loop. Let's start out by identifying the entire stitch and the loop it contains. If you turn the swatch on the side, you can see a lot of small little cute V's. Each V is basically a stitch, and each leg of that V is a loop. The one closest to you is the front loop, and the one farthest from you is the back loop. We need to crochet in the back loop, so we're gonna insert our hook into the middle of the stitch, the middle of the V, and we're gonna let the hook exit right under the back leg of the stitch. We're gonna yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. And that is how you crochet in the back loop.